big question I get asked, just to preemptively talk about it, is, how can cutting down trees be good
Yep.
for carbon and for forest lands and all that? Essentially, again, not an expert on this, but uh, first of all, the trees that are being harvested for buildings like this are young trees. They're between 5 and 10 years old, and they are planted to be harvested. And they're being harvested from sustainably operating forest lands that have very intense requirements and guidelines that they're working through to maintain their licenses and to maintain their all of their certifications of sustainability. And so essentially the way that I look at it and the way that it should be looked at is, we're not cutting down trees and then paving over them. We're cutting down trees and replanting them, because if it's more profitable for these privately owned forest lands to operate as a mass timber manufacturing facility, then they're just going to continue to plant new trees because that's the source of their profit center. But
Yeah.
if we stop using wood, and it's going to be more profitable for those folks to sell their forest lands to Amazon to come and build a distribution warehouse, that's how we lose forest land. And so, I think a stat that somebody did for our project over at KLNA, they just have been analyzing the impact of the project from a few different standpoints. And one of the fascinating facts I learned about our building is that the wood that it will take to go into our building, which is a 12-story, it's like, let's say 100,000 square feet of timber. It regrows in a North American forest in like 4 minutes and 30 something seconds. It's a drop in the bucket. There's tons of forest land, and it's continually regrowing and being replenished. And the best thing we can do for our forest lands is to maintain a healthy and thriving and profitable timber industry.